Imagine walking into a rice factory, not the kind you might picture from old movies, but a place where the future is already here. The air buzzes with energy and anticipation, robots zip along tracks, gliding smoothly past each other, each one programmed for a specific task. Conveyor belts hum steadily, carrying endless streams of shiny white grains. Each grain is carefully handled, moving through the factory like part of a perfectly choreographed dance. Giant digital monitors blink with numbers, graphs, and vibrant colors, tracking every step of the process in real time. These screens help workers and engineers keep an eye on every detail, from temperature to moisture levels. It feels like stepping into a sci-fi movie, with gleaming metal surfaces and advanced machines everywhere you look. This isn't just a place where food is made, it's a showcase of innovation. High above, robotic arms swing into action, picking up rice samples and scanning them with precision lasers. These lasers check for quality, ensuring that only the best grains move forward. Down below, automated machines sort, weigh, and pack rice at incredible speeds. The process is so fast and efficient, it's almost hard to believe that just a few decades ago, this work was done by hand. Humans watch from behind glass walls, monitoring the action and pressing buttons on sleek touchscreens. Their job is to oversee the machines, making sure everything runs smoothly and safely. Safety lights flash green, signaling that all systems are operating perfectly. If anything goes wrong, alarms and lights alert the team instantly. The smell in the air is clean and fresh, almost like the scent of warm bread just out of the oven. It's a reminder that, despite all the technology, this is still about making food. There are no dusty sacks piled in corners, no loose grains scattered on the floor. Everything is spotless, organized, and designed for maximum efficiency. Instead, rows of see-through tubes snake overhead, carrying rice from one process to the next. You can actually watch the grains travel through these clear pipes, moving seamlessly through the factory. It's a world where machines and people work together in harmony, each playing a vital role in making sure every single grain is perfect before it leaves the factory. This is the new face of rice production, a place where science and technology join forces to feed the world, one perfect grain at a time. The future of food is here, and it's more fascinating than ever. Rice is everywhere. No matter where you are in the world, chances are you'll find rice on the menu. It's a staple that quietly connects people across continents, cultures, and generations. It's served with stir-fries in China, curries in India, and tacos in Mexico. In Japan, it's the heart of sushi. In Spain, it's the soul of paella. Rice adapts to every cuisine, taking on new flavors and forms, yet always remaining essential. Every day, over half the world eats rice. From bustling city canteens to quiet family kitchens, rice brings people together, nourishing billions and marking celebrations, rituals, and everyday meals alike. It is one of the oldest and most important foods on Earth. For thousands of years, rice has shaped civilizations, supported empires, and sustained communities, its cultivation woven into the fabric of human history. But few people see what happens before rice reaches their bowls. The journey from seed to plate is long and complex, involving countless hands and careful steps. For most, it's just a bag on a store shelf, or a side dish at dinner. It seems simple, almost ordinary. But behind that simplicity lies a world of effort and innovation. Yet, behind every grain, there is a story of work, science, and care. Farmers rise before dawn to tend the fields, scientists develop stronger, healthier varieties, and workers ensure every batch meets the highest standards. Modern rice is not just grown, it is engineered, protected, and checked at every step. Experts use advanced technology to breed rice that resists disease, grows faster, and provides better nutrition. From the muddy fields to the bright lights of factories, rice travels a long road. It crosses rivers, highways, and oceans, connecting farmers to families thousands of miles away. Each part of this journey is shaped by new inventions and smart machines. Automation and innovation help deliver rice that is cleaner, safer, and more consistent than ever before. Next time you eat rice, remember, it's not just food. It's a symbol of connection, tradition, and progress. A humble grain with a remarkable story. It's the result of a worldwide effort to bring healthy, safe, and perfect grains to your plate. Every bite is a testament to the dedication, ingenuity, and unity of people around the globe. Rice starts its life in wide, flat fields. Years ago, farmers used only water and muscle. Today they use technology. Drones fly over the land, snapping pictures with special cameras. These images tell farmers where the soil is dry or the plants are sick. Sensors in the ground measure moisture, temperature, and nutrients. They send data to a farmer's phone or computer. If a part of the field needs water, smart irrigation systems turn on by themselves. This saves water and energy. Machines plant seeds in perfect rows. They drop just the right amount of fertilizer. This helps rice grow strong and healthy. Even the timing of planting is planned using weather data and computer models. With these tools, farmers produce more rice using fewer resources. The field is no longer just a patch of mud, it's a smart, connected system. When the rice is ripe, it's harvest time. In the past, people cut rice by hand. It was slow, sweaty work. Now giant machines called combine harvesters do the job. They roll across the fields, cutting and collecting rice in one go. These machines are guided by GPS. They map the field and move in straight lines. The harvesters gently separate the rice grains from the stalks. They collect the grains in large tanks and chop the leftover plants for animal feed or compost. Sensors watch the flow of rice and adjust the speed and power of the machine. If a problem is found, the harvester sends an alert to the farmer's phone. That way, issues are solved fast and little rice is lost. Thanks to these machines, what once took days now takes just hours. The harvest is faster, cleaner, and less stressful for everyone. After harvesting, rice needs to get to the mill. Trucks with climate controls keep rice dry and cool during the trip. This stops mold and protects quality. Some farms use conveyor systems or even small rail cars if the fields are close to the factory. Before loading, workers and machines check the rice for dirt, stones, or pests. Special scanners make sure nothing sneaks through. Every load is tagged with a barcode. This code tracks where the rice came from and when it was picked. Once at the factory, giant silos store the rice. Sensors track temperature and moisture inside these silos. If conditions change, alarms sound, and the grain is protected before any harm is done. Moving rice is now safer, faster, and more accountable than ever before. Each step recorded for safety and quality. At the mill, rice gets its first big cleaning. Conveyors move the grains through a series of machines. Air blowers blast away dust and light debris. Vibrating screens shake out rocks, sticks, and husks. Next, optical sensors scan every grain. These sensors use invisible light to spot any rice that is too dark, broken, or not ripe. Bad grains are blown away with a quick puff of air. Only the best grains move forward. Big data screens track everything. Operators watch for alerts. But, honestly, most problems are fixed by the machines themselves. The process is fast. Thousands of grains sorted every second. Here, technology does the work of many hands, making sure only clean, safe rice goes to the next stage. Rice grains arrive at the next stop with their tough husks still on. These husks must be removed, but not a single grain can be wasted. Special machines, called dehuskers, use rollers to gently squeeze the grains. The rollers are set just right, not too tight, not too loose. If the pressure is wrong, rice can break. Sensors check each batch. If a roller needs adjusting, a computer makes the fix in seconds. Husks are sucked away by vacuum tubes. Some are burned for energy or used as animal bedding. Nothing is wasted. Clean, brown rice moves to the next stage. Thanks to precision engineering, every grain is handled with care, and every part is used wisely. Brown rice still has a thin layer called bran. For white rice, this layer must come off. Machines use a gentle mix of rollers and a fine water mist to polish the grains. This makes them smooth, white, and shiny. The water helps keep rice from overheating, which could ruin taste or texture. Rollers spin at the perfect speed, brushing off just enough bran. Any leftover dust is collected by filters and turned into rice bran oil, a healthy product used in cooking. Workers watch through windows, but, honestly, most of the work is done by sensors and robots. Cameras snap pictures of the rice, checking for color and shape. If grains don't look right, they're sent away for animal feed. This stage gives rice its mouth-watering look, ready for the next big leap in quality control. Now comes the final test. the moment where all the careful work and technology come together to ensure only the best rice makes it to your table. The rice enters an advanced AI-powered color sorter, a machine that uses artificial intelligence to inspect every single grain with incredible precision. Multiple high-speed cameras scan the rice as it moves along the conveyor, capturing detailed images of each grain in real time. If a grain is the wrong color, has an unusual shape, or even the tiniest spot, a powerful but precise air jet instantly removes it from the line, ensuring only flawless grains continue. Only the highest quality grains make the cut, passing this rigorous inspection to become part of the final product. Next, the selected rice travels to the automated weighing and packaging area, where machines take over to guarantee consistency and accuracy. Sophisticated machines fill each bag with the exact amount of rice, no more, no less, ensuring every package meets strict standards for weight and quality. Each package is then labeled with a unique barcode or QR code, which holds important information about the rice's journey. This technology allows stores and customers to scan the code and trace the rice all the way back to the farm where it was grown, providing transparency and trust. In some of the most modern factories, robots carefully stack the finished rice bags onto pallets, preparing them for storage and shipment with speed and precision. After packaging, the rice is moved into climate-controlled warehouses, where temperature and humidity are carefully managed to keep the rice fresh and safe. Advanced sensors constantly monitor the environment, adjusting conditions as needed to protect the rice from moisture, pests, and spoilage. From there, trucks and ships transport the rice across cities, countries, and even continents, with every shipment tracked by computers to ensure it arrives safely and on time. So when you open a bag of rice in your kitchen, you're not just holding a simple ingredient, you're holding the result of a high-tech journey that spans farms, factories, and the world. Every bowl you serve, every meal you share, is made safer, cleaner, and smarter thanks to the science, innovation, and dedication behind every single grain of rice.